Hey guys, Justin here of Yugatech, and nowadays on less than a 25k budget, you can already get a smartphone with flagship grade performance and even cameras, one of which is this Huawei Nova 9. As you've read the title, in this video we'll walk you through its top features to make it easier to see if this dazzling phone is for you. Keep on watching to know more. Okay, so our first top feature is something you'll appreciate right away, and that is its design. The Huawei Nova 9 has a lightweight and slim form factor, which makes it easy to bring around and slip into pockets. It's available in starry blue or black, which is obviously what we have, and it flaunts a glass back with a unique oblong-shaped camera module for its quad cameras and LED flash. Flipping up front, its display is stunning. Besides the fact that it's a full HD plus 3D curved OLED screen, it's also capable of up to 120Hz refresh rate, 300Hz touch sampling rate, and 1.7 billion original colors. This is definitely an outstanding display, and you can expect sharp and punchy colors, deep blacks, and an overall smooth scrolling experience. The next feature we'll talk about is its cameras. The Nova 9 has a versatile set of shooters consisting of a 50-megapixel RYYB main, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, a 2-megapixel macro, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Then on its notch, we have a 32-megapixel selfie camera. This selection is pretty impressive, allowing you to easily shoot different kinds of scenarios. Its main 50-megapixel lens is equipped with RYYB tech that's similar to Huawei's P30 series, so you can expect flagship-level quality in this premium mid-range device. If you're wondering, basically its RYYB color filter makes the main camera collect 40% more light to boost your low-light or night photography. Now, if you want to take full advantage of its 50-megapixel lens, then you can go to the More section of the camera app and select high-res before taking your shots. This will give you a direct output of 50-megapixel high-pixel photos, which will really bring out the details in your subjects. Another thing we really appreciate with its cameras is the ability to shoot in 4K either you're using the rear or the front cam. It's a lot helpful for vlogging, plus there's also some nifty video features that you can use, such as picture-in-picture and dual-view video recording. Moving forward, our next highlight feature is its support for 66 watts Huawei Supercharge. This is something you don't always get in phones within its price range. That's why we're glad to have it on board. From 0 to 100%, the included 66 watts charger is able to fill up the Nova 9's 4300 mAh battery in less than 40 minutes. That's impressive. Okay, so as you're probably aware, the Nova 9 runs on EMUI 12, which is a feature-packed OS. And since this is a Huawei device, you can download various apps through the app gallery, which sure is continuously growing. However, if the app is not available yet, then you can go straight to the Petal Search widget to automatically search for an APK. But like I said, there's a wide variety of apps that are now available through the app gallery. Some of the top apps include essentials like Gcash and Paymaya, Lazada and Shopee, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Netflix, and everyone's favorite, Mobile Legends. Moreover, if you're already in the Huawei ecosystem with a tablet, laptop, or even wearables, then you can take advantage of the smart collaboration features for a seamless multitasking experience. And that's about it! Surely this Huawei Nova 9 is one smartphone to be taken seriously with its loaded and flagship-grade features. If you're interested in buying one, it's available for 23,999 pesos via the Huawei store. We'll put the link in the description box. So yeah, do share with us what you think about it in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay safe!